We're peer pressuring everybody into honking. It says honk for Jesus. JD wrote it. We're currently at Rockathon, where we are rocking for 6 hours.
Is this what people mean when they say they don't want religion shoved in their face?
I think so. How are you feeling about Rockathon?
I'm feeling really good.
Feeling hyped for mission trip?
I'm feeling really hyped for mission trip.
Can I see your shirt?
Yeah, you can actually.
You like it?
I actually do. I didn't think I would, but I actually do like it.
Thank you. Opinions? Okay. Molly, how you feeling?
Pretty good.
Feeling hyped?
Yeah.
Hi.
You like the shirt?
I like the shirt.
I think it looks better. I think it looks better on with everybody.
It does. It'll look better when we all get tan too.
No,
So true.
This looks great. I love it.
Yeah, I like
Since
it.
day one, I've been a supporter of this shirt.
So true.
Hey, wait. This is kind of awkward. Everybody's wearing the same shirt as me. One. What for who? That.
Right.
Get him up to 100.
Are you feeling hyped for mission trip?
I am very hyped.
Tell me where we're
It is
going.
10 days away, right? 10 days?
Yes. Where are we going?
We are going to Devil's Lake, although the natives call it Spirit Lake. Reservation, and in North Dakota. We're very excited.
Yep. Feeling hyped. Feeling hyped. Oh.
3. Oh.
Jeannie, what do you think? What do you think about this?
I think I think every car that doesn't honk is kind of embarrassing because he's trying really hard.
You're so right. Happy he gets whenever they actually honk. Yeah! He just took off the screen off of his window so he could yell beep at us.
Landon, I think that Landon, that one counts as double.
That guy is so real for that.
No, yes, come on. He went to all the effort to take the screen off of his window. That counts as 2.
How do I turn it around? I'm gonna turn it around for a second. Hello vlog. How do I turn it around? I forgot. Okay, this is Molly and Henley reporting at you live. I accidentally drank a whole box of juice and it had pineapple in it and I'm allergic to it. And now she cannot breathe. And I'm slowly losing all of this. But yeah, and we're honking for Jesus. Oh, guys, we hit 100. Please, want to say hi to the vlog? Hold up to the Rockathon. How do you feel?
I feel blessed that these kids are so in love with Jesus that they would do this.
Do these people, they're so in love with Jesus.
They are. And I'm happy that you've got my IOU.
Yeah, I'm gonna show them. Everybody's been bringing by money. This is what she brought. Taylor, I owe you $25. All right.
Okay, well I've got a zillion errands to run.
All right, bye.
Make some good money.
All right,
Okay?
bye.
Show a little leg.
Show a little leg? Is that, Mama, what? Did you hear her? She said show a little leg, make some good money.
She said show a little leg, make some money.
Yeah, that's what my grandma said.
Hey, Arden was a player back in the day.
JD's going to do an epic prank. He's gonna do multiple laps around so that Brett has to do more push-ups, and he's gonna honk and see if anybody notices. He's pulling out down there. He's coming down. JD got him. Got him good. They just stole JD's prank idea. So original, right?
So original.